Come test drive the 2021 4500. Ram 4500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up, and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, dual rear wheels, speed control, engine block heater, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.